Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Sets and Functions. Exercise 2.2, Lecture 3. Today's lesson, to explain relation and function. This class I had explained the subject Higher Mathematics, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.2. Today I'll again explain this chapter. Relation. If A and B are two sets, then non-null or non-empty subset are of ordered pairs of their Cartesian product. A Cartesian product B is said to be a relation from the set A to the set B. Here set R is a subset of the set A Cartesian product B. That means relation is a subset of Cartesian product from set A into set B. We know Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, New Delhi is of India, and Bangkok is of Thailand. There is a relation between capitals and countries. This is country-capital relation. This relation can be expressed as a set in the following way: Thailand, Bangkok; India, New Delhi; Bangladesh, Dhaka. Here more Cartesian product, that means Thailand, New Delhi, Thailand, Dhaka; India, Bangkok, India, Dhaka; Bangladesh, Bangkok, Bangladesh, New Delhi. But as this is a country capital relation, so the required condition or required result will be Bangladesh, Dhaka; India, New Delhi, New Delhi; Thailand, Bangkok. Other will be the subset of Cartesian product, but not relation. Clear? This type of math you have already solved in the subject Higher Mathematics. Just you will do again, or that will be revision class for you. Okay, just you will pick up in your CW copy. Here given A is equal to this and B equal to this, and elements of A and B have the relation x is equal to y minus 1. Find the relation A equal to this, B equal to this. Cartesian product will be 1 0, then 1 2, then 1 4, 2 0, 2 2, 2 4, 3 0, 3 2, 3 4. As x is equal to y minus 1, that's mean when x is equal to 1, then y will be 2. That's mean 2 minus 1, this equal to 1. That's mean left side and right side are equal. Left side and right side are equal. So this and this relation will satisfy this condition. That's mean when x is equal to 1, y equal to 2, that's mean 2 minus 1 mean left side 1, right side 1. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, that's mean 4 minus 1, that's mean 3, that's mean left side and right side equal. So this and this are required relation, others will not be the relation. According to the given condition, x is equal to y minus 1. When we'll take x is equal to 1, then right side will be, and y is equal to 0, that's mean right side will be 0 minus 1 mean minus 1. Left side 1, right side minus 1. That is not correct. Okay. Again, when I'll put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, this is satisfied. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, that's mean 4 minus 1 mean 3. Left side 1, right side 3. This is not correct. Clear? So this and this are the required relation. Clear everyone? Follow this, you can easily solve. C equal to this and D equal to this, and x less than or equal to y. That's mean x equal to y, or the value of x will less than y. Okay, here Cartesian product will be C cross D. That's mean 2 4 2 5 5 4 5 5 6 4 6 5, but x less than or equal to y. That's mean 2 4, that is correct. 2 5, that is correct. 5 4, wrong. 5 5, that is correct. 6 4, wrong, because x greater than y. 6 5, that is wrong. Clear? So result will be 2 4 2 5 and 5 5. Clear everyone? And also you can solve 10 and 11 in your book exercise 2.2. Clear? Now definition of function. I have also explained this. Again I will repeat. If x and y are two sets under any rule, every element of A of the set A, I mean x, is associated with one and only one element of set y, then that rule is called a function described from x to y. Okay. These types of functions are denoted with symbols such as fg, that's mean small f, small g, capital F, capital G, etc. Follow example. Here A and B be two sets. Every element of the set A, that's mean A, B, C, corresponds to unique elements of the set B. That's mean A corresponds only one element of the set B. A corresponds 1, B corresponds 2, C corresponds 4. That's mean unique element. But C cannot be able to connect at a time all the element of the set B. That means C connect 4, C connect 3, C connect 2, C connect 1. It is not possible. Clear? Follow another example. This is not function because to connect more than one element. That's mean 2 can connect or corresponds only unique element of the set B. But 2 connect 2, 2 connect 4, 2 connect 10, it is not possible. And every element of the set A. Here 3 is not connect of the elements of the set B. So this is not function. Clear? And you can also follow the lecture, that's been third lecture of Higher Mathematics exercise 1.2. Now assessment, which one of the following relations is not a function? Give reason. Okay. Example, g of x is equal to x cube plus a x square minus 3x minus 6, and then for what value of a will g of minus 2 is equal to 0? Given this, and for what value of a, that's when we have to find the value of a. Okay, g of minus 2 means 0 means at first we have to value put x is equal to minus 2, as a result g of minus 2 this is equal to 4a minus 8. But according to the given condition 4a minus 8 this is equal to 0. That's mean g of minus 2 this is equal to 0. So after calculating 4 equal to 8 or a equal to 2, therefore if a equal to 2, then g of minus 2 this is equal to 0. This is the required answer. Required answer means a is equal to 2. Clear everyone? And follow this. You can easily solve 12, 13 and 14 in your book exercise 2.2. Okay, we'll solve this. If, another example, f of y is equal to this, show that f of 1 divided by y is equal to f of 1 minus y. Just you have to put the value y equal to 1 by y and y equal to 1 minus y. When y is equal to 1 by y, we'll get 1 divided by y cube minus 3 into 1 divided by 1 whole square plus 1 divided by 1 divided by y into 1 minus 1 by y. This equal to, after calculating, here will be 1 by y cube, LCM will be y cube. So here 1 minus 3y plus y cube, and here will be y minus 1 by y square. After calculating, we'll get 1 minus 3y plus y cube by y into y minus 1. Again, when we put y equal to 1 minus y, we will get 1 minus y whole cube minus 3 into 1 minus y whole square plus 1 divided by 1 minus y into 1 minus y, and after calculating, we will get 1 minus 3y plus y cube divided by y into y minus 1. That's mean f of 1 divided by y, this equal to f of 1 minus y. Hence proof is complete. Just calculation. Clear everyone? Follow this. You can easily solve 15 and 16 number in your book, exercise 2.2. Clear? And homework also will be creative question 23. Before creative question 23 are related before examples or problems. Clear? Page number 44, and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 13/2/2021, time 11 AM. So today, after this, thank you to all everyone.